Fáilte Rashka, howtogael. This is a podcast brought to you by Fáilte Ireland.
Louise, Thot and Sarah, well and truly ling ag a buinte seo, and I'm dying to get away g'di áit éigin in éireann.
Darren, I'm right there with you. I actually keep coming back to that feeling of, taking a short break and just tugging sus.
Oh my God, I know much in go bhfuil tú sair, the shoulders drop, you take in that big deep breath and you just think, Carcalor, I'm a sairnish.
Shinna Rod, do you know what it is for me? It's like the moment you arrive wherever you're going, you drop the bags, you take that initial little wander around and you're like, oh, it's on Fuishif Shin. I've landed. I'm on a sus.
John, I'm feeling it straight away. I'm a little bit earlier than you. As soon as I hit the road, I'm blaring the Ceolar radio to the Fanoga, Hisagum. I'm heading west Bader, toward Aig, Earn Wild Atlantic Way. The sea, the cliffs, the swims, if you're feeling brave, it just wakes you up.
Well, ein team latags to is hain gur bralum irhina tira. I love it. But on Sarah Shaw, I'm kind of feeling something more, I don't know, Rodaigan Suíomh nach Lorna tira. I'm thinking the hidden heartlands. Nice little spa break, waking up, cushow and agdolig or coffee, agus Rodaigan quiche the das machine.
Well, that's the thing, isn't it? In Ireland, you get to choose your own pace. One day you can go full adventure, the next day you can slow it all down. Níl an deferert.
Exactly, dear. In Shinna there's no delays in the airport, there's no long travel days, tá sé dasty and blee. You just go and you can enjoy your break from the very start.
Yeah, those moments really stick with you afterwards. You feel really recharged, a little bit lighter, like you're reconnected with yourself again. The cup is full. Shinna is tachty.
Sinead, and so whether you are chasing that Atlantic fin of an air or maybe you want to take a sus in the hidden heartlands, whatever you do this summer, tug sus the chain.
So what are you waiting for? Din plan dud hir a jaar inish ag discoverireland.ie.
Hello, Cordia, agus fáilte go howtogael. Lums Louise.
Agus lums Suíomh.
Agus féachart the polka dot. You little traitor.
I knew grab through Chomhrá to raw. Hit me a stock of Dunn stores.
Oh, hit to shop.
Hit me a stock. Because she'll get a stock of Brown Thomas. But my wallet wasn't damaged as badly.
Dunn stores though.
I know, support local.
You're such a sustainable queen.
I look, tá browner, but just a couple of tops and shots and shoot, And brogan, he fed up na broga eshkent, but tá brogan ugam, tá she'd really good ass.
Keiko or just gefeidu latin the
Cuscar
Orda, yeah. Can you get him up there? Look at them.
Woo! Yeah, small mead.
Yeah, small mead Gamore. It's gas at the ballet pump is having such a moment.
I thought I'd never get into a ballet pump again.
Yeah.
Because they used to be real smelly, but at least these ones have air holes.
Yeah. Well, do you know the way I've already roasted the Fidelmas over the air holes? Sweat holes. Fidelma flat arse, as I used to call her.
Sure.
I think now our issue is will be Fidelma flat feet.
Yes.
Because we're like, it's meant to be very good for your feet to be walking around on.
The arches have fallen.
Yeah. Yeah. But apparently it's níos far. Ríomhphost na lads, I mean, agree in the those feet runners, like they're now the trail runners.
The toesy ones.
Yeah, that just like it's meant to be like running barefoot.
Yeah, tá siad a really come out, but just to say I'm not dogging sheets in a stock of fashion, and Quee, Solomon's are like hiking boots, and the sheets in fashion. Neil May Geary good jogging the toe shoes a stock of fashion. Darren's already in the Solomon's, like God love her, I can't see her in the toe boots, sock irid.
Sorry, you absolute contradictor.
What?
You love the maison, the ones with the Japanese toes.
Maison how would you say?
Yeah.
Go on.
I actually don't know if I can say this.
She'd on tabbies on fucklata or who, and it's the broga atá like on toe scarha.
Yeah.
It's small and meat huge, but that's only one split, not 5 splits. It's just a camel toe.
So you're happy to split your big toe from the rest of the
biggies, that's a natural divide.
I suppose it's a divide K-Nex to call flip-flops, isn't it?
Yeah, because you're okay. It's what happens in nature.
I don't know, nod or anyway, Beish Kayla. Sorry, Channing Mish brogan new come
Will
I get him up?
Yeah, go on.
Woo! Okay, so right, obviously they're not the Mew but they're like a dupe of the Mew.
Oh, really?
So there's like these with this whole double lacing scenario.
No, not aware.
Maíomh ag an Deirdre Ní Choistín, right? And I was a gubber on Jones's Road of all places outside Croke Park, and the amount of surprisingly middle-aged to older men that were like, what are you doing with 2 pairs of laces?
Oh, stop it.
I was like, if I go to co-triggered, it's fashion, John.
Is this the new I hope you got 50% off those jeans because they're all ripped? Yes. Is that on Rud Nua?
Yeah, I'd say Shinna Rud. But and then they were all like, are they Limerick laces? And I was like, oh, coincidence, Anias.
Yeah.
Ní raibh Shins Flanagan. But is this a new thing? What are we double lacing? I like it.
So now your belly bar double laced, your polka dots. We won't recognise it for all the trends.
I'll tell you what, and you can't move in my wardrobe for a pair of those silk lacy shorts either.
Stop, really? Thought she'd I thought she'd really handy offer us a fucking task show, like thought denim shorts and like just she'd on a stiff or like na keen silky thought like and tear tuck sweat.
Girl, you're doing some amount of sweating with the air holes there in the
Girl,
air.
postpartum sweating is insane. Like, I don't know, can you see the beads, but touch you down, like the beads.
Is it?
Oh God, yeah. I was sweaty before I had a baby, and then I had a baby.
That's very funny. Okay, well, ag bog raig, and we're have deir seachtain deas go Siva.
Yeah, bhí deir seachtain deas gom. Do you know kind of horla them on
Go on.
Tachtan Shaw, on Ina? I bumped into two of Cork's best podcasters. Okay.
I'm grandmam.
Yes. Oh my
don't know.
God, that took a second, didn't it?
Oh, Ceafisker trick question of you.
Oh,
I
right.
was like,
No,
sorry,
no,
are you
it's-
trying to say, I don't know, Grev?
No. I am talking about PJ agus Kevin. No, we made Dulligan Gym. Shout out actually CrossFit Drum Conjure who have changed my life. It's right on baby horse and it's brilliant. And on a good goil I fucking love it. Yeah.
Class.
Yeah, shout out Mairead Aquahor. But for me Dulligan Gym, Leshan baby, and I had just walked her around the block to get her to sleep, so she'd sleep for half the gym class, and then I bumped into two of the loudest people from Cork you could ever meet, and they woke the baby.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Oh, you're calling out PJ and Kevin.
I'm
for
not calling out
waking-
PJ, I'm calling out Kevin. No, right.
Oh, or if she's to the gym.
No, ní raibh. She'd actually did have like shoot beag and trod, and I just come like accidentally bumped into them. But yeah, I forgot how loud people from Cork are.
Yeah.
You know, like
Well,
and I think will PJ agus Kevin really like representative, really unadiach winter Kirky. So
Yeah.
they're the best of the loudest bunch.
Well, I can tell you the people from Cork aren't that loud after the result on
No,
Saturday. what?
thon ceart agus. What the
Oh,
hell?
I know.
Golliv a boo.
Yeah, golly a boo.
Like the Anna Eaner.
Yeah.
Anna Eaner.
I'd say-
But do you know what? We're going to hold our GA chats gonna Dara an episode.
Yeah.
Because Tanyarta Rogan.
Tá agus tá. But rud eile faoi muinter churcií bhíos hain I ggurca garanína bhís gobar ggurca
Okay.
agus tí isteach a daxi mar this is such a me thing to do, but dánas an ihe ggurcaig say ihe Deirdre, and then like bhís bor Mariala an trocht because dúirt fearlumm snowstorm go raibh the bóthra go léir dúnta Mariala's raibh Ursula von der Leyen in town
Oh,
with the
right.
EU
Was there, but isn't it, okay, the EU
Vishay
presidency.
Gurkic,
Okay.
EU presidency, right? So Vishay Jane of whatever talked whatever in UCC. So Dúirt Chalum, he was like, "Oh, I wouldn't chance now." This is my Cork accent. I wouldn't chance now driving in the morning because the roads are all closed.
Didn't really come off.
Sure,
Yeah.
So he was like, "I'd say if I taxi now and he'd bring you in the taxi lane and leave your car here and blah blah blah." Anyway, so Dóirig made taxi in the shin. Where was I going? Only to get a blow dry. You know yourself. If he's like shoot all around
Herself and
Blushing.
Ursula von der Leyen.
Yeah. And anyway, I was like, I'll go in the taxi, come out, and then I'll drive to work at the blow dry on, whatever. So anyway, hig me stock the taxi, agus an lad Vienna, I'd say grave, I don't know, rev I gana, I get or
Okay.
got ahana, whatever it was
Yeah.
anyway. And he was like, "Oh, here she is now. I'll tell you something for nothing. Cork are going to absolutely annihilate Galway tomorrow."
Oh dear.
And I was like,
oh, that didn't age
true
well.
and her, yeah, it's taffeter, but Dúirt may air on radio, right? And he got in touch today and he was like, in fairness, he messaged me today on the radio and goes, "Bhí may make me ceart." He was like, yeah.
Do you know what?
Because
It
Dúirt now,
takes-
I said to him, I was like, "Geez, I said, that's the confidence I can only aspire to have on a Friday morning."
But fair play go us tag
Yeah.
volley and a vlast. Do you know
Yeah.
what I mean? Agus a oddfall go rev sé me ceart. That's
Yeah.
a bigger person than me.
It is. And
Do you
he's a
know?
great taxi driver.
Shout
He's a
out.
bin zip out.
Tamánaithe Kirky.
Yeah, should I? Right, well, she bhí píosa co-raggers a gin on ep on Tachtan Shikate. Paul was in touch on Instagram and he said, "Well, a chalíní bhí me géisteach leis an fod créile nua na lug animnacha nuair a bhí me ag tamáint timp an chlár agus connic mé an anam gaiilech de Boston I gunta an chlár agus sé móní na gligan. Like Boston, come on.
Yeah, so that's true. They're moaning a glick go Boston. Obviously, the scale tape here the shin, but we
Yeah.
don't know it. But let's unpick go moaning a glick and she's needs for
Móní
Boston.
na gligan.
Yeah.
Tá sin go háling.
Tá
Cad é
sé-
go dtíorcha, cad é an astruchán, cad é mónín.
Girl, moan is peat, so like
Moaning.
moaning, probably like little
Little piece hit bog or something.
sha agus na
gligan.
gligan, like clicking is the chewn. So
Yeah. Okay, well, ní and Shaquille gur Boston on
no, moaning na gligan is like whimsical, agus
Yeah.
like fairies,
That's
agus.
you hain Móní na gligan.
Yeah, do you know what I mean? Like,
Móní na gligan. Oh, sorry, that I need to do a Clare accent.
oh, go on.
Clare are very neutral. Do you know Neil really blast?
Shin leshkil really go
Like, does a Dane like Clare
No,
accent?
but I wasn't revving myself up to do one.
Yeah.
Like
Does
you
she
were
go
about
through
to.
Rossies, no,
and
like
then
Sligo. Neil, let's go on with like accents.
I think Law Egg and Kermit and Sean Shin and Thormid Gok Truckado Kunde det and Byrish on
Yeah.
on Connington at the Gokil account.
I would say don't hold your breath bag on Dima or anyway. Kayla via Dangvolin.
We did a dagval, so rinne mis thuggart go raibh mo chin chean ahar, no mo chean chin chean ahar luta il Ulysses, right? And Hannah in the Dagval, Dave, I have a relative connection in Finnegan's Wake. My great-great-grandfather was a publican called John Earwicker. I love this.
What a great surname, by the way.
Earwicker.
He was an awful earwicker.
Yeah, he was. Yeah, it's an insult, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I love that we've started. People are a vet Dagval if they have a relative in a James Joyce book. Long may it continue. Long year talk Dagval. But if Mirala mo yad garort me lat garev goilin in Ulysses, and I thought I was like, and Louise goes, hold on, let me guess who it is, and he roared laughing. He was like, she's like Mrs. Doyle in Father Ted. You know when she's like trying.
Go on.
You know when she's trying to guess the priest's name, and she's like, Father Kevin O'Connor. Father Tony Houlihan, Father Mark Doyle, you know,
that was on Fog Rice Agira guessing of his, because I'm like, there's about fucking 4 characters in Ulysses, so like it had to be one of them.
I know, but then there are like by characters in Dini Avul and Shaylo. So anyway, he just thought you were he thought you were very ambitious. Leva Agiri Trila Wintos Pulifi Horm Cave okay like.
Well, I didn't guess correctly as expected, so now we'll do sauce them. Anyway, Anava. Okay, Cadella lads. Sure is féidir libh se dul dangmháilin agus lever dul bí a dangmháilin howtogael@gmail.com. No, Insta, TikTok, wherever you do your bits, you'll find us at howtogael. Right, episode na seachtaine. Ína seachtaine fáilte ála bhór rih Ard-Stiúrthóir TG4 agus Ard-Mas féidir marrá. Deirdre Ní Choistín. Fáilte
Go mad, Louise.
Táí delighted go to it. So Kay gohfuil hangover gum. We're still here. We're driving it on. Agus táid céile limnach agus galibh.
Woo, galibh, Louise.
Yeah, good feel cracking Oliver Madden.
Har bar, táid super mór leis agus as limnach actually máthir mar chéile, so it's coming on machrún limnach mar ní
Gachfinnig calora.
Oh, that's skin in the game either right. Yeah.
No, but on Phelan those year go rud a dúirt Deirdre cúpa no midir hen, so bhí mar rá obviously bhí Louise ag an glithe inné agus cad a dúirt Deirdre dúirt gur she a sheáil a phone ar ag na hagla gur curach seo ar ceall.
Yeah. See, Deirdre, well, gur mágad as sheáil siosarm, but let me you can rest assured if I'm good at anything it's actually ploughing on.
Yeah.
Rallying.
Yeah. To Louise.
Yeah. Well, Níl an rud ná like is even lam an crack agus like taréis léhamar sin bíon sé dachar nóir agus tíine dolamach. You kind of are like, oh, deal with it tomorrow.
But on rud éontach faoin ná is félums today a fem occur shield. I'll be like, how's she sounding? No, she'll be grand.
Yeah,
you know?
Yeah. And I think as well, you know, it's man rud radio because they'll can't like cadre gum la méis story-nish and like they like you, Deirdre, were also probably checking up to say gain sort stated. Yeah. So I don't know. But anyway, Gurmila Magat, that's Stach. Can we go back to the start for Deirdre Ní Choistín was féidir? Because das does a Aeneas, Deirdre, Ichildara.
Yeah.
Ní raibh an óla sin.
No, really can't make her boss golly who's at the honor brown or sin.
Well, that's good. Good imposter syndrome. It's blowing my false though, you know, there's Asotkin Zella who is blowing the going.
You're a Kildare woman, like St. Bridget.
Lily White. Agus go my Haynes Carlum is a clash in the tree nose out rinne my Haynes Gaelgigs of Rankish. Agus bhí me Harvik nífach sa cum an gcuilech I glas na trí.
Of course you were.
Yeah, and bhí anchraach I mean bhí anchraach is fear am camera an ceir bliana sin snóscoil agus má fós an mór leis na cálíní ar fad. Agus na lads ar fad. Bhí cóisrein ar buníomh tína G in níd ag necha sé formud Jontas.
No way.
Le cóisre reachtan.
Stop it.
Agus the Kinal Central Societies Committee Trinity agus fear you know ear to sienna ver mhaoiniú so formats ní sam céfid agad agus from right iontoch so bhí cóisrein sa flís tras an móthir ó glas na tríóide agus fiú gnám sin bhímid híos gomininic a club an chomhrá agus níor aon rud agraí ag a chomhrá. Rud a chuir iontas an downer.
No way!
Bhí siad san rála chula bhna óta cóisre agraí glas na tríóide a tééisú san sin as bhí an íhan Germans ar an olah Carlo Hanle. An ócáí heola agus is cuihann bhí mu look brandware is from wow ní an rud bhí mu sú leis ceapmans go sé seananta agus you know bhín sú leile an am sin bhí mu ar fad gafa leis agus ceapmans ar fad go postnían.
Yeah. And fecker
Isn't it amazing how that's almost like it could be written in the stars? Like, do you think Deirdre Og would have ever imagined that, you know, Deirdre now would be a Giannis or another fad?
No, but like near Hickmans, you know, so like bhí méins mo char éan ar gcóí áras an bhí telefís begain agus dagman TG4 ar teenager mar bhí ar ná ar siúla fan lei I ggéir taú leis na ratings ach níor hiigmod ní aibrann se mar sin tú bosca bhead telefís.
Sorry, these are great stories for you to be telling. I bet you when you were doing the interview to get the job.
Yeah, no, I think if I told those it would be like good luck.
No, Louis was an sin teenager, so sin an time a vehicle TG4. Cod is massan ar cloisian tú in the wild. Teenager new TG4.
Well, do you know what? Teenager, I think Glean galore daoine teenager in Ríomhphost, like when it was tagline lahanas, we should oh you're still with teenager, and you know it's like it's problem I should that tishmore in the Guelta the nish on
teenager
teenager tishmore in the Guelta TG4 look
boo
you know is toch like bhí me cuiinúir esped the rec mar hampla a rat bheog agus derm chess for sí gomininic agus an lot arm suppression so is toch a mahamíad mar you know just ní higann siad ach tá sé is toch is tíir seo tá sé Thomas Ahananta mar TG4
Right go pulisciúla got
agus is tóga gur you know is rud mór a bhíann nar a ceapachtas a ró mar tos an céad ban le tro bliana nús a bheith mar orstróir a TG4 so like ar ris sé sin leat nuair a dóra glas you know tá ró agat.
Is tócha inis is tócha rihin se lom sifa ag an am is tócha bhí cúpla céime geis leis na haglah agus thug mé céimar chéime níor me gur cuiimnú an nómar go faoi mar is tócha má hosin tú smoineh an nómar go faoi you know tá seans nach náireach leat so bhí me cuiinúir an taglah seo ce gas mé dhéanamh ce aglah ce gas mé dhéanamh agus you know eyes on the prize is tócha sinnte ach níor chuoine mé nómar ceir go dtíana is tócha daibhar mé leis an trúr ceanar bhí an Róm so cail gcóna dá so bhí me an cúpla mí sular bhg se raig gartaí agus sin le póla galachir agus le Alan Estelmont. So dul me go leor wahub a bhí mrá láidir gcónaí TG4 mar hampla marní thuúil le hosar as narún agus na hagóirí commissioner fad a TG4 go leor banisteoirí so tá cultúr an bhá gona mrá gcónaí an like we were always good at it anyway we had writers you know schemes for writers schemes for directors for women we've always been ahead of the game but it's important to establish that status for women and to make sure we have equality across the board for women so tá sé fíorthab do chumsa.
Ceir an céad post a bhí agad riomh de TG4 mar but tá freis an tá an taithí agad bhí tú rán sin you know ghfuil an tuiscin tagad ar rudí éagsúla mar tá tú hééis anna chu taithí bhaint max nar ná níor just like leon tú stock an roll seo you know.
Tá me le TG4 ó níd ag nechaní so thus me glú héis gur aíomh an tanam go TG4 for me post mar muir creilecham so an céad post a bhí an ná chu maicní ar dúile sa stúdio le agus cúla ceir agus i measca ar na féidirs a measca chláirchaí beo agus an sin bhg mar ra go fís feasca agus hena sé sin go mórla mar bhí me gopur rudíarnús na táchan agus nó TG4 gachíthe agus an sin bhí me plé le préid so chuineal an stáisiún ar air agus an sin gáhíle a héin choú sin ar fergan of TG4 so thugmid stúdio an stúdiotá inis agus bhí postaní an go léirethirí stiúrthóirí so dairlumm cean gona postní sin áil agus man an sásta leis agus bhí mo chríostocha san ábhar sin an nátar me gur gáil henan tíomh technúlam a bhí me gur bheith pléile ábhar agus léirú agus me an sin a bheith cúiblian éig agus an sin bhí me plé le commerceáid agus bhna me mulscel I fé seateig agus rís forma is so an tuiscin sin ó híh nerv me gobar an gláró sin go radíine le an tábhar se líne agus you know gran éile ver ó híh na mé an hóisiil a cards Facebook an tam sin gradíine le na míní bega se agus is sin is so gur hánig an tuiscin gorábearna an ó híh an tábhar bhí mins chuáil gradíine le beidir scéalta nach níon fi chlár astab agus bhí mis chu an tábhar sin ar fáil tríd mulscel tá garí Harcíín fós le mulscel bhíos cin 6 milliún views ag mulscel an hóisiil Tá go homlan an ghilge fiú níd fóheadsel béirléir na dada is fáta si go homlan díire ar fphobal na ghilteach sa ghilge agus sa garí Harcíín leis agus a sin chumen sin go postnocht agus an sin go post
Wow.
around the house
but nach it's sinnar cean an rudí is fearlam faoi TG4 you know tugann sé deisna do riine óga agus do riine tá gur briseisteach you know like
hello exhibit A agus B an seo you know
but sin rud but few like tahi odd Jane of stuff like a chur mic and Dini you know I think that like ní torlíonn sé mar sin beidir I don't know le cólacht agus in átaí eile I think that go bhfuil you know there's like an amazing TG4 have a great way of like encouraging.
Yeah, we still feel like a startup 30 years later.
Yeah,
you know, there's that kind of agility.
Yeah, like all hands on deck almost, isn't it?
And
yeah.
every election, it is literally all hands on deck, and everyone will get in and do something. But we also have a great internship scheme where, you know, it's really good hands-on experience.
Or no, hey, intern TG Carr.
Ní bhaith fis Ríomh.
Ní féidir in rúna.
Yeah. Yeah.
But no, and like bhí an rutin an a gúnaí ó híh deisinaí agus tá deis a géint in éáit an agriad chuir seach ar Ríomhphost agus is rud maithe sin.
Is rud tábhacht is sin.
Ach fós is agriad an bheagmuid le níl ar céad trocha duine in is gobar le TG Carr. Agus is méadú sin bhí ní ránach ceir scóir fan am líonanta tá mas hééis méadú le coppla blian. A fós is agriad an bheag mu a gomprad le agriad I meán eile a tá taú le os cin 1000 post an airnal, so it's rud, you know, fearhabhat.
Small but mighty, Deirdre, you know. So Lara mis beidir inis faoi thábhacht TG Carr. So I know agus is mar an Ard-Stiúrthóir, ní bhain go mín tú kind of, you're not only overlooking TG Carr on seo in Éireann, but you're also representing TG Carr on international scale, and you're going to conferences and you're learning about different broadcasters that are also working with Mion Tangaka or minority languages. And you might see and understand better the importance, you know, how essential it is that we do have a national broadcaster, sa Gaeilge, sa Mion Tanga náisiúnta. So speak to us a little bit about that.
Yeah, well look, I think minority language broadcasting, firstly we give kind of a profile and status to a language, and that's the same for S4C mar hamplas a rat an bheag, no BBC Alaba, news it's here in the Mascoch, news a Catalan, so ar fud na Hórapa tá creaaltóirí Mion Tanga on, but it's socha tugmans ahantas agus stadas gun tanga agus morach TG Carr is socha níbhach an Gaeilge choláidir sa tá sé fhui láthair. Marialler Deirdre Ní Cap agus an Calin Ciún tá sim as cuimse ríist I fólam na Gaeilge. Agus tá mion maidir leis an Gaeilge ahraí agus dearan go ag an gypse seo freisin, you know, hána bhacht daoine Klaus an faoi an bailach ar múna von Gaeilge go obair scoil. And is tá affilir daoine nachfuil Gaeilge acab agus, you know, gur bháilób ceangal leis is angar ríis, agus is socha is tá TG Carr pártach san ahrú mion sin, agus morach an cinál branda ahananta tá an, agus an tahananta sa tá gon tanga béidir, you know, morach an na meán seirbhisí poiblí ní bheadh sé sin an, agus sin an fágil sé fearhabhach gofuil an.
Agus an súil eile, like is even you know, tá tugann siad tugann TG Carr súil eile do bhaint na tíre agus, you know, muinte you know, I was going to say muint na churne, but actually because you know sin rud almhór bhí an chat seo go mané le duine loch féchna bhí a bháile ón Astráil lad ó chuntain chlár, right, agus tháinig sé bháile agus, you know, I think bhí beidir cousin no duine aigeanta gimmer to chuntain chlár, and he was saying if it wasn't for TG Carr and being able to access the matches in the bliana, like you really connect that diaspora, like a wadnias far now beidir, I don't know, other channels.
Yeah, well I suppose
Haven sport
and sport, but freshen Táimid ar fáil ar fud na crinne, so the players available worldwide, which does make a difference. And last year, for example,
that's such a flex, like
it is, you know, and it is hard, and we were kind of ahead of ourselves with that in terms of you know, getting the rights, that we'd have multi-platform rights, but as well as that global rights. And last year over 215 countries and territories. I was corrected on that recently.
Oh yeah,
because there isn't 215 countries, but territories and everything else you're having yourself.
Gachlán a lá scola, Deirdre, you know.
Yeah, but ar fud an down gachát bio ar down ar fud na crinne brandished there seinnteoir TG Carr Hamilton san or like the sin dochreite.
Really?
Oh wow.
Yeah. Every country in our territory in the world checked or was on the player at some stage in 2025.
That's bonkers.
They love us in the North Pole.
I'm just, and you're trying to figure out what are they watching in Azerbaijan or what.
Takes that
unreal deal. Slanish Cormac.
Yeah. And then our YouTube version, like the matches, you know, tá an tóir ar na cluichí ar YouTube agus like an rudder a dhéanann smuid ar le Alliance League agus Super Saturday, Super Sunday gúil gach cluiche bio as spáint ar ordan go chuid TG Carr. Like tá sé dochreite.
Tá sé specialte.
Tá sé co-specialte. Agus sin ráite, like is léir go bhfuil TG Carr ag dul chun chin an timer fad, right? But that doesn't happen without mhaoiniú. Agus tá, you know, argid anna chuid argid fight ag TG Carr le déine is it níos móna 2 milliún in 2026 agus really that sounds like a lot. Savresh, sorry, before sin rá. That sounds like a lot, but on Lorry.
No, ní Lorry. And, you know, look, éon rudháin le síl na gailge mar tá san, tá a gúnaí má stochracht agus fetasíocht a ríiste goráisiigh má bhunscoil is cuihanlum a golig tseachtain mar bhí Mary O'Rourke an air éidirchas swimú a stochracht.
Give us a toilet.
Give us a new at school agus siúd é síl na gailge tá seasta sií má stochracht agus fetasíocht tá rud céna gceist le TG4 tá 65 milliún 65.4 milliún aim mbliana agus is ardú 2 milliún an bblion rih tá ionintach ach tá 150 milliún sterling ag SP Direct nó S4C sa bhratan.
Cévéid?
150 milliún sterling in aine bliana. Agus an rud eile tá cíntacht 2 blian acu, so tá sacu an mhaoiniú tá si bháil ó bblion go blion níla saine, so gap blion tá is stochracht a fantasy at a lur gardú agus an sin tá sé bhí ein le cínú go gahamid a rivier na bliana agus tá sa cycle sin rí seile. So tá SP Direct ar an síl níos fuid an muid a buní bhíad a ní ag 8dó ach tír na más go freisin trí cat Catalan, so ar fud na hórpa agus tá crohanna sláidir anar tá na meáin seirbhisí poiblí mhaoiniú ceart tá se go mag an déanlachas tá se go mag an sochaí as tá se seo croí ag an EBU mar hampla nuair tá is nuair geartar mhaoiniú na meáin seirbhisí poiblí tá an ardú ar polarisation sa sochaí agus an cinál ahrú meáin sin maidir na políocht sé sin ar fad, so tá sé fíorhabhtach go mach mhaoiniú ceartain. Tá an rudtag mad ó sílim bhfuilte an cóhéics ar fad dóchasach tá ahrú tíotar an mille chréalachan tá sé gol tríd an dáil faoi láthair a tá molta an go mé mhaoiniú ilbhlíonn tú le TG4 agus RTE mhaoiniú 3 blian ó 58 go 53 ach tá gur cínta go mé róhan mhaoiniú an is rilí tasí na bhád níos smó tá lur 1 bhilliún an bblion se hagan.
Wow.
Go on.
Agus tá stochracht agus a lurg agus leirt leis na Polytóirí Commission meán agus bíonar an cás an láidir dhéanana go TG4 tá se an scurtar ceistring bh cetain rud tábhacht tá sé luúg tábhaach mar tá gcéire a hiile drámaíocht tá gur a hiile ábhar níl éon ábhar TG4 go dhégóirí mar hampla tá bearna olbhar ó coolla cethir go bloc agus tá gur sráhanní cro go dhégóirí tá a gur fós ceisna nucht a réitocht tá costas lei sin agus tá ceisní sport tá costas le sportléir má so go leor átainnig gur féidir an target.
Is cosú go TG4 denmh gachirtá si go an shoestring budget má nar currents tú gomráid é leis na service na creaaltóirí eile. Mastíúna sin an dúlan is mó rih TG4 faoi láthir an ceist muoiniú.
Well, it's stolen me agus rí síl na gailge is ceis muoinú chuilead a dhéananas mu a camint bheith cliste leis an muoinú tá ach is socha tá RT mar hampla is commissionú bhád níos mó ábhar agus ddíú ar na réún rud atá ionintach ach tá rátaí RT le léirú bhád níos aird ná TG4 mar tá buisiad bhád níos mó acu. Ní mu an angol nóíocht lei sin. So cílinn se sin so go léirthir tá gobarling rana siad a bheith gobar le RT mar bé níos mó airgad le agus tigamú sin tá sé dechar. Ach is so an rud a támud go maithaigh don ná go le ggófarts le drámaí eile so Denimud's co-fartiat, we do great co-productions with Fish Aaron, Commission Meáin, BBC Northern Ireland, and series, the drama series Craw has been sold to over 70 countries worldwide. So that's what we do with co-productions, which is great. And that is something that's not, I suppose, a bigger public service medias across Europe, they're not used to having to co-produce. TG4 have had to always do that. So it's something we do very, very well.
Yeah. On Ceist, when you see the twin, I know tá sé ahananta gon ar fád an meáin seo a leith na Gaeilge. Obviously there's a massively positive attitude towards the Irish language, a sentiment that is it's being re-embraced and re-celebrated, which is great, but is that being reflected in by the powers that be? Is that being reflected in the muoiniú I leith na Tonga? Like, is this how we should be applying more pressure le níos mó muoiniú áit den Gaeilge agus the Gaeltacht?
Yeah, I think there is an appreciation across the political sphere of what TG4 does, and it's like, you're great, we love what you do for the GA and all that, but I don't think we're seen as, I suppose, a competitive force in comparison to maybe other broadcasters. So I think that's the disadvantage we have. We're like the kind of the shiny trophy in the press that, you're great and we love what you do, but money is needed elsewhere. It's taken one session. But táimid a gur going leis agus tá meáin an tochi meáin poiblí tá sé Harbh like chulat den air túrascalachaí im léana maidir le meáin an phobal meáin tochi faoin Gaeilge. So cáimid is socha an luach a chur an TG4 leis sin a léirú níos fearr agus is dócha taú leis sin ghfuil níos mó daoine taú leis sin freisin agus is spána sin. I mean ní éta rud níos fear dhéanamh ná golik na Oscars son na Gaeilge. Agus rís na chuoinúir an scon an a grú an bblion sin ná All Quiet on the Western Front a bhí muoine ag Netflix bhí ní sam 8 milliún $8 milliún síle a cahuair an scon an sin. Agus margiad ar fád ar fáil ó Netflix agus bhí scon an beag galéireach ar buisiad an bheag bhí bhn 2 milliún idir TG4 commission meáin agus bhí séan a bhí nóíoch leis so tá sé dochreite.
An méid tá buintach ar an méid atá fáite.
Godíra.
So dá bhétá Deirdre ar gachtainna in airan just brandú ar aon chlór a bháin atá léirethe TG4 céin chlór bheag ann agus céin fá.
I know bhí me swooin bhar gan seo agus tá se chód achar.
Tá
an air cin an ach is dócha
It's like a grounding post this far, isn't it?
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
You couldn't do that.
So bhí me swooin bhar na chláirchaí chréilmud le bliana nuas agus cáin cheasamachchum ná beo fin bhód níl samhaach sib an cáin
No níos fecha gom.
So is faoin fear seo tibradáin bhí ag náms na seacadaí bhí cinál in na Guinness Book Records bhí daoine a churhéin faoin bhód agus i ggéire it's cinál dares no Guinness World Record but tá sé dinta fíorhá sílim bhfuil an súla agus smór an agus tá scéalaíocht ítach an so sin can má agus an sin swooine siar a coppla blion ceapan níl samhaach sib saoú i fihe i lár COVID is chlár chuir Tammy Tiernan a láthair ar i gluch na rún bhí sé crackáilte os réalaach chlár ealaína ach sílim go bhfuil súla agus smór a gan sin freisin so sin dá chean ón Gartland gur fiú brenn.
Dá mé se a go beidir seannach lóir a thuirtar éis an bhfuil aon ceannar le gat.
Well, mar tána classic sound.
Well, tá like the passion fashions, come on.
Puke the ride. Tógarás puke the ride a dhearm se, but the horm.
Well, socha bhí mis an rih passion fashion, so bhí clownas an nar bhí mis sa bhé.
Dar nóí.
Agus bhí sé sin haar cían. A camera nar bhí me pléile commerceáid chuil lá beo bheith ceist ar Twitter tar eis passion.
Yeah. Bhí sé icónach.
Well, hassoch is toch a howluir go ní sin bhfuil mu an
Yeah, so cén chuig an ibroach sé in ish, Louise. Like, le tosa an kind of fashionista an show, like an ibroach sé in ish.
Well, do you know what? They'd all be pitter-pattering around in your little shoes in the ballet flats. Agus like round stuff for shit. You know what? Thought of Gen Zers co like cool nach will she like is so will fashion ag aru an timer fad.
Fiúcha sé anamh thinking shop a carhanach then over they get.
Oh, the ADS the West Coin.
Yeah, no.
Oh yeah,
vintage.
Yeah, vintage. Oh my god, fiúcha sé sin kind of fadálach mar froise no nach.
Well, I think yeah, no rud ag Gianna Verlina I suppose. On will Deshna out Deirdre because so galore darnay story, you know, I suppose a quit the she old well Turtasian. No, doshi their skull agus beidir, you know, I Jane of an or test actually bín golóir dína géiste clinic stadéir agus rudí mar sinnte, but de roioine óga tá beidir gira aidir post ás na man. An bhfuil deisna anna TG4.
Tá neir deisní an, tá neir deisní san airneal freisin, agus níos móna riamh, tá neir cólachtaí goberling ar fud na háte. Tásúlam go méid siomh an glú agus go méid deis is tócha chuirseacha ar obair leis na cólachtaí ar fad agus tócha tá mis ar LinkedIn, so is féidir tá brasásta freigra chuir géantain na tá lur tror denna mission gomininic má tá aontainna lur tror faoi cinát gur féidslób deisníáil. Tá scéim an go nítar bblion scéim ar seirta a dhéanaan smid le scoilní ar fud na sira a freisin tá glór cólataí freisin ó híh dramid ar bblion ach an sin héis goiste tá neir deisníáil.
So bhfuil tú actually gáchaiste le go bhfuil tú glórag talent nua. I know gur like focail salach é talent. Well, they lurg.
Tá, well, bí mu a gúnaí is tócha, bí mu a gúnaí lurg daoine nua thuirt con cín agus is tócha éagsúlat, mar so tá síl na Gaeilge an bheag agus ní mu a ggéir go méid na daoine céanna le feiceáil rís eile, so is máling go mach éagsúlat an agus bí mu a farbar daoine nua. Is tá túfas daoine farbarthe tríd bloc an tard an ar líne agus gológan na daoine ecans mu inis ar chláirchaí TG4 is tháinig siad sin tríd bloc, so sin áit anmhail le fólam faoin na meáin freisin agus is míorna gear tá golóir deisní spríúláán agus deisní go chuileganna I taine chuirt an cín freisin.
Unreal, agus tis go meid sim ag ar an éistóirí seo. Like, so cad iad na tríthe atá, I suppose, riochtnach ar álar ag TG4 the I don't know, you know.
Lorhóí. Girl, tá si dogan, we know.
No, but I think how much bheith fair now, agus, you know, an éistóí ógtá ag éisteach, you know, everyone liked, like, I think I get this question often, the man, people get in touch and say, how do you get into TV? How do you become a TV presenter? And what do I need to do?
Yeah.
Agus
fearheacar, like, and really glorgan na láthóirí telefíse is trí himpish, like, bhí hosmis TG4 ar bhí dáhí ó sé ag síle seo gan, agus ní hégur chuirse de seachar postní mar láthóirí Deirdre ar seach ar postní mar láthóirí. Scuiblam Louise ag chuirtusa seachar internet agus dúirt me bhí ceartmach sí sin na láthóir agus tháirla se.
No way!
Yeah.
Okay, so tá súil agat.
Well, ní ha, but is toch go minic drama haints dro láthú ní tarlín sé trí himpiist.
Mis trí ó lei sin himpiiste go hosa mis go bar le cruis telefíe, you know, so
so is toch go minic beidir na fecin agus sin rud is toch a brandú sir ar mohiel is toch deran daoine leat amtí deran si leat bhachtú mága seo agus amtí ní éisiún tú leis agus toch sin rud íarring le aon drama má dhearan den leat becheart chuid is seo rial éislób mar amtí fecintí rudí eile agus níecinn tú héine. Thorla sé rumsa mar hapla blianta chun fi go bar táchan agus dúirtíine op ceartmachtas ar na mé an hóisiiltas fi mar chum máslí gan am chun. Op le cin fág me gur sin íanamh tuisgur bheith gallery. A bhí chonig si dúirta cinn sonam nach mar héin aáil gnám agus bhí skill amán is stocha so is stocha is fiú éisteach le daine. So an rud cin le láthart is stocha bheith má tá se wet an ómar go béidir nach in an bailach is fearhaid is fiúhuiid brenner rudí eile freisin.
Ar nó a pásanta Deirdre foréir tá nasc ri bránach cumánta adran agus sé sin gur caiile mar burt siblín go tuban, you know, le cúpla blina nús. So just has gom an ceist chuiris mar an isis go dégam kind of the chás foréir agus an cás tragódach like chunas tá gaiir leis chunas tá tú.
Tá me go má, tá se haar like cáú crón an bocht trí blianach an í lúna sa fé trí cáú eile taimcrí agus bhí se lei sé, so bhí se Harbh dechar. Is tó an rud a brandú sir ar marall se lei sé agus gur cáú go topanna bhí scrútú arháis leis se grónéir agus níhharrma tuairis ón grónéir fe coppla mí in dhé sin. So sílim gro sin Harbh dechar an gur fad mar ní rásain agus bhí neir ceisní an bhí muráte le chu a hála ra sé fólingt. You know, Russia lion sin agus bhí fón ag na láh nóir fuair é agus ní rásain bhí neir ceisní an agus is socha bhí se an dechar is socha gomsa bhí me gur fragri fi me lurk fragri ske a hálas cin fágur hála se agus ní bhín gatain a bhín de bhealachéin ar Harlíns ru kins an topan mar sin bhín de bhealachéin ad le daile leis so bhí mis gur a cúntais buince chuúna síos agus rudí practicú dhéanamh. So an rud a rilam agus bhí me swooin bhar seo gon padcréile bhí me gur é seo lua is socha just nachhfuil ceartad go de datan ar cháiltarú agus tá chuir dhéanaan mu den isis. Tá sé ar de fón agus mar bhfuil an password arolalas ag daine, tá se an dechar. Rudí practicúla mar sin dhéanamh agus go bhfuil sé fíor hábhatá goach cinál éireach tuigetoch ag duine agus go bléonn tú na rudí seo le duine.
Wow.
Mar bhí mu cráte agus is cuihann go seach siop a fón in gáile agus fear a bhéting fear ará sé léachar óthá ra sé léachar aon mar ní an tóla sein agus thug ban sí fear an gúntar meis agus dúir me oké ní rás béidir nach rása agus nar formid an tuairis gon chrónéir formid amach cáúir a dúirteach nírá sé bíon agus bhí mar chosáach hín coppla mí sin a fannacht bhí mu cráte agus bhín faoise an sin ar formid an scéile sin. A just ríselum hí hí fearóg níor se cecha héan. Bhí sé bucí síos go Portomna agus bhí muinterportom na chud as ling ina dhé thug siad neir takeíocht drathir le Joe Canning mar hála sé just rinne sé neirad going agus daine eile sáile thug anchúna going ag gnám ach just rudí practicúla i ggéire chuntas bancaúna i ggéire chuntas Ríomhphost níúna ní féidir sin dhéana ní leat a data agus dá moch do sonraí ag duine cín eile tá tú ná golóiríanamh, so sílim gur sa teachtar tábhaach é seo
Okay,
tógréile.
But bíonn sé Jackar dó smuoine bhar na rudí practicúla sin ar tá tú I lór I don't know bris a cree, you know, but it's sinna rudí gur gád at go horser who, you know.
Yeah.
And like has to go an ceis chuirt mar I mohaí bín stíine gcóí, you know, ag thuirs go faoi hisismóirí, chutá de hisismóirí a ní chuann siad ceis chutá tusa hééis siblí na caiint an é sin de haí cumá.
Sin haí freisin agus bhí mháthair le bhí winter creebrist, you know, hit si donna chéile agus ná tá mháthair tá si níos fearéis a thug se tamil anadar a bín tú gur bheith láidir hób agus tá tú gur na rudí practicúla seoir fád dhéana. Ach is toch ahrún sin dynamics de glán fresin a chuigur an agus is mission duine sin so bhí cronan ar an carhrú duine agus bhí mu an bhórla na chéile bhí sin na chuúning gáile agus you know ahrúnse an cinál tá bearna an ní féidir chuirsí ar tá rudí ahrúgus ní se go bheith mar an ggéan a ríist agus fiún caiidrih leis a gcuid elegant áilech. Tá sé dechar chuirsí ar a just it's cuilumm sin fe míontí just a gceart an like ní férodí mar an ggéan a ríis go agus tá sé sin an dechar. Tá má bhád níos fear is faoi, I mean couple blianach an ní bhengen an leirt faoi gancuoine ach rud eile socha bhí go deas nar cáiliú nar bhí se beag bhí fellam féilechan I strafan an ekeling as henne se sin na gúnaí le cronan nar bhí se beag trún méid armad ar ach nar cáiliú an lágur churmad actually bhí féilechan teach agus nó tá mis a Harbh sinnicú nífach ein sí máán.
Mis leat.
Well, fan níontí in dhé sin fin feáil féileán an támar fád.
Tá sé sin go híomh nach goil.
So, you know, rudí mar sin tugann se dóchas gom, you know, good right.
Yeah, ban mór simbol is rudí agsúla sin Louise agus there an comá, but gur mágad a rénos as leirlinn faoi, you know, is like foréir támid mar bhfuil den club céine an sin, but sin an saoil nach
Tá sé dechar agus is ócha siúh a fecinn tú agus janscoil tú mar an ggéine, like tá daine denna tú darmad ar agus an sin cuiimnú tú Colin duine sin drifrin ar Colin duine sin dráthir. Tá tú I club eile agus is club nach chu gur bheith
No.
Ach tá sé just ní leon cíal le bás óg agus bás topan agus ní chuir aon rud eile is seaarm sa síl hééis se sin, you know, like ní déit duine bit bhfuil béit mo chud gasar. Déit rud be heile tarlú agus ní bhánach sé siar asam ach, you know, bhí sé seo just an teach in siú fasach.
Take an dit for air, but gur mágad as sinna fléilinn, you know.
Well
Rolla Creek ní nota.
Well, níos. Do you know, rud a bhí is ag ggéarrá to do a complete ní 180. Just just bhil marrá gur míle mágat I suppose tá mis agus sí bheith chob agus dtíir an cóbuíocht in deisna ar fád atá fáite goin hána blianta ar TG4 le TG4 agus really, you know, dúir tú gur sort all hands on deck approach like agus sinnatá agus really má híon would really, you know, gohfuil an tálinn gur bhúla mar lena chéile trí TG4.
Yeah, it's a bhuiile TG4 gur beann the howtogael really.
Yeah, sin é agus bhí deis goin I suppose obair le chéile agus an cuairde seo bheith goin agus tá sin really speisialt agus tábhacht an air saolta chumá.
Yeah, mohí mar cuid the fubal TG4, you know.
Agus tá an fródú lasam agus but tá
gur na mágatíir
you know, because Danam hain gur léchir sé pon túús na stocha agus is brálam ceta dentaí le howtogael agus gúil se choláidir agus nachfuil fatis ar bhráir a rá agus is ítach nó sin.
sé dá seach, but you know,
you scríomh sí sé sin just Deirdre Ní Choistín said it was fine.
No compliance. Ní len compliance tastal sin, no. But tá sé tábhaach go bhfuil se mar sin agus go háid gomrága agus go mrá choí slíp go bhfuil se sás an fóta cheasamh agus rudí rá tá beag gon conspóta chamtaí is mála mé sin.
Gur mágad Deirdre. Sprála sin.
Bhí sé sin go háling Deirdre Ní Choistín gur mí mágad suas fear.
Gur míle mágaí.
Bhí sé sin go háling ar fad?
Yeah, Yup TG4.
Yup TG4 agus Yup Deirdre Ní Choistín.
Yeah, bhí sé sin arás, mé anna hásta ná go raibh ban có stúma agus you know, ban có like ord sin is saoil na gaelge. Is Stiglin.
Yeah.
I think it was Catherine Connolly, Deirdre Ní Choistín.
Sinead.
You know?
Caiite sin rá ar más dáintí so. Cliste síhan ar cliste. Right, go tapa Yup agus Yachna seach.
Well, I know you're Yup.
Sorry, it's a joint Yup.
Sure, no,
it's go bhfuil limnach a ráis in all Ireland.
Woo! Yeah, delighted.
Yeah. Delighted ach on at chomhrá. You know,
Will tú istig sa mix like
agus maíomh really nach bhfuil
well hold on ví tú sa mix sa malach éigen though nach raibh.
Well, yeah, Tom's mix actually. Agus féidir am leir faoin like Tom occur up with Matthew Lawher.
You!
I'm one of the co-hosts along with Dahi O'Shea agus Jackie Hurley.
Go Lou!
Yeah, who the fuck allowed that happen?
I think is gig úntaach the sé. I think it's fur for this. I think you've been training for it for years and tá an crack agat, tá an tolas agat, and I can't wait to watch.
Well, do you know what? I do feel like in a way the universe was conspiring because I've been training for this role since I shifted my first hurler in 2004.
There we go. You know,
like, if anything, I know, like, don't hate the player, hate the game. Is that the saying?
Yeah. But are we hating the game? How we liked the game?
I think you just need to respect me for playing the game. Whatever I'm trying to get at there with that analogy. Shift the hurlers and reap the rewards. I know, but we say today like we miss like Aubrey Bork and Crowkick August and Chin, Vulas and Declan August, you know, we married brand new and Glehla Kayla, and I was like, this is so weird. I'm watching an All-Ireland semi-final. In Akila Declan.
Yeah.
And it's folks like Toche really like they're all our friends.
Yeah.
Blianta.
Yeah.
So it feels like a fever dream of a kind of so close but so far. I'm Kena.
Yeah. No, we miss it brand new, and I said Limerick would not have gotten 15 wides if Declan was on the pitch. Shouldn't have thought miss it. Like he would have had them whipped in better shape. Now,
but you know what? Didn't it fucking always win well?
On cool shin.
I know.
In the 70th minute, I screamed.
Yeah. No, Connor. It was a little bit of daylight robbery now. Dima or the winter and Chlork.
Yeah.
They led the whole.
Sorry,
the better team.
Vishay Tilta Aku. Sorry.
Yeah.
Vishay Tilta Aku. You know, but.
Shin Maravian it's cruelty of sport, but look, it was an unbelievable weekend for
yes.
hurling, and I think yup is this time of the championship. This was probably our yup na seachtaine ag an amseán nuair cuma.
Probably,
but like rather been as far na cluichí na an Cumanú Glasgow ag an amseás Bhliain. Like it just, I think it's a heart and soul. I actually will go as far as say I think it's the beating heart of Ireland.
Oh, I do. No, Cínta, like gachard cultúrtha cosúla sin, and like I think na daoine atá like said down seo, Cínta seo. Yeah.
It's their religion, like, isn't it? It's spirituality for them. I genuinely believe it though.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Búla le pobl sacu agus cahabh. Yeah. Beidir.
Yeah. And I've never done as much praying as I did in the 5 minutes of extra time anyway.
Amen.
To all the gods that I pray to.
All right. Yuck na seachtaine.
Yuck na seachtaine.
Yuck. Come on, let's go.
Seanscuil seo conspóideach, but I'm so icked out of it. Taylor and Travis's big fucking wedding event.
It's so yuck. I'm like, you have all the money in the world and you got married in Madison Square Garden. Like, for me, Ross Shola Cahill, because he wouldn't have his finger on the beat of these kind of things. And he was like, that's like getting married in the Three Arena.
Yeah.
That's in Kinnell Ott.
Yeah.
Like, they took le Taylor agus Travis Dulga, Lake Garda, like Positano, fucking Madison Square Garden.
I know, and there was so much of it was so naff, I felt, and I feel like the billboards in Times Square being like just married TNT and all this. I was like, in all fairness, Taylor, like as someone with so much power in the world, read the room, read the Globe, and like could the Times Square's billboards be used for something better?
But freshen is fógur bhí the TNT on Cólach's phone. Yeah. But freshen like on rud atá really yuck ná. I know gur Iona there $50 million na like leighinthe riv na bonise go like corhanuk the eggsula, and I just feel that is such a gross use of being philanthropic. Like you can't just dip in and you know give to charities just because you are going to do something awful and horrible, you know, like ní unan an chárod. It's kind of like you know, offsetting your carbon emissions but still having a private jet, like ní féidir an chomhrá a hásamh. So just yuck. And do you know what was really yuck? Sorry, that obviously that's the yuckiest part, but bhí picturí the gachtainna dullas teach smach o Madison Square Garden, but like because it was such a high security event, all the pictures of all their fabulous outfits are in front of railings, like silver security railings. Like we've gotten, there's no glamour, it's all sidewalks and railings.
Well, do you know, there are some not conspiracies but theories, I suppose, because Neil, like on Scale Lana going to fold, we haven't seen any official pictures, so like some people are saying, is she this ultimate mastermind who's like actually organised a massive event, invited 1,000 people, the most famous people in the world, right? And some people are like, did she film a music video? Did she launch it? Did she? And it got all of these celebrities, Maria, under the guise of like, we're getting married, into one room, filmed it, didn't have to pay any. You know, like she is kind of a genius in like, I would say evil genius in that way. I think it's all just so
evil genius. And sorry that the Swifties and Wihin Shin. Actually, Flamer, Taylor Swift and Bud Crella Shohana, and people were really annoyed.
Well, actually, Swifties be a dangval. Agus, I would love to know Caddy Chappinship, because I feel like Ah, fuck it, like give us a break, Taylor. This is just...
Yeah. And like Adam Sandler officiating the wedding.
I know. Apparently his advice was never stop kissing.
Yuck. Okay, ar an nóta sin.
Gur míle maith goibh fáilte Ireland for sponsoring this podcast as always. Agus be mar rás ríist an tachtain sicún. Go dtí sin.
Son!